your name?
My name is Visakhapatnam.
What is your father name?
My father name is Krishna.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Amma.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food joint.
What is your school name?
My school name is Mpps Korada.
Hello, hi. What is your name? My name is Renu. What is your father name? My father name is Ranga. What is your mother name? My mother name is Bangaram. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is leg biryani. What is your school name? My school name is Mpps Korada. Which you class studying? I am studying 5th standard. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Hi.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Kumari.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Lakshmi.
What is your father
My
name?
father name is Ganesh.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken biryani.
Which are you class studying?
I am studying 5th standard.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hi. Hello. What's your name? My name is Pragya. What's your father name? My father name is Hatbabu. What's your mother name? My mother name is Mani. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is egg rice. What's your favorite festival? My favorite festival Christmas. What's your school name? My school name is Mpps Korada. Which class you are studying? I am studying 5th standard. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Start.
Hello. Hi. What is your name? My name is Mukesh Kumar. What is your father name? Kotrao. What is your mother name? My mother name is Sarda. What is your favorite food name? Joint biryani. Hello. Hi. What is your name? My name is Amrita. What is your father name? My father name is Shiva. What is your mother name? My mother name is Swati. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. What is your favorite festival? My favorite festival is Bogi. What is your favorite vegetable? My favorite vegetable is carrot. What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is apple. What is your school name? My school name is MPBS Korada School.